To download or install Zoom on Android and iOS. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So it works on both Android and iOS, so it is similar both Android and iOS, so you can try it. So firstly what you have to do is to download your Zoom app. You have to simply click on the search bar for the both devices, and then you can search for the Zoom. So let's see, search for the Zoom, and it opens like this one. So what you have to do to install the Zoom, you can simply install by clicking on the install button, and it is available for the both Android and iOS. You can follow it, and it is similar for both devices. So what you have to do is you have to click on the install button, and then it is start installing, and wait until it install. And after it install, then you have in after that downloading process is completed, then you have installed your Zoom app. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate.